This is the world's quickest walkthrough of the Brother SE700 embroidery machine. Turn it on and tap the screen, then remove the bobbin cover by pushing that little button to the right. Then you're going to insert your bobbin, use the little picture right here to follow how the thread should go in that direction. For the bobbin thread, I only ever use white thread, and it's all-purpose thread, not even embroidery thread. Follow the arrows, and then there's a little razor at the end there that cuts the thread. Then you're going to pop the plate on. And now for the top thread. I get my thread on Amazon. But anyways, you're going to get one of these nets and you're going to put it over the thread. It's actually important. It holds the thread in place as it's feeding it through everything. Without it, everything kind of gets tangled and jammed. I mean, obviously you can embroider without it, but it definitely helps. This is what it'll look like, and then you just slide it onto that little top thread frame. And then you're going to pop this on the top. That will keep it from being pulled forward. Now for threading it, you're going to follow all of these arrows. I have a very in-depth video on my YouTube channel about how to thread it. I also have a lot of other in-depth videos on this whole embroidery machine, so if you want to go watch those, I have a whole playlist for it. The most important part of threading is that you get it behind that number 6 right there. And then there's a self-threader, but mine rarely works. The next most important thing to embroidering is your stabilizer. There's a couple different types. I like the cutaway stabilizer. It's kind of like a fabric-y material. And then you're going to open up your hoop and you're going to lay down your stabilizer, and then you're going to lay down the fabric that you're going to be embroidering. Then you're going to take the top of the hoop and you are going to put it on top, sandwiching the fabric and the stabilizer inside, pushing it down into place. It's easier to use 2 hands. You're going to pull up as you push down on the frame so it doesn't come out. You want it tight like a drum. So anyways, to put this into your embroidery machine, you're going to line up those little hooks and plop it down.
You want me to take off the balloon?
It'll click like that sound. And then for an example, I'm just going to use a letter D real quick. But if you want to do something specific, you can use the Artspira app, which I have a bunch of videos on that. Then you're going to drop down this pedal, and once that button turns green, you can push it and it will just go. At this point, you just let the embroidery machine do its thing. You don't want to walk away too far though. You want to listen, because if it starts getting loud or wonky, you're going to stop it before it causes a really bad jam. Now pushing that button that I just pushed, you are able to move the embroidery machine all around, so it tells you exactly where it's going to be embroidering. I added a bottom piece of fabric so that it could be double-sided without having the back of the D show through. Sometimes it's easiest to cut thread as you go, but once you're done, you hit all finished. And then you remove the frame. Again, it's easier to do with 2 hands. From there, you take your piece out of the hoop, and then you cut anything that you need to cut. Now, if you're doing like a shirt or something, you just cut away or tear away whatever stabilizer that it was you used. But that is a pretty quick walkthrough of the Brother SE700.